Guys, welcome to my channel. This is my new to me Kubota Z726XKW. It does feature the Kawasaki 801V, the FX series of course. Now I've only had it for about a week. Compared to my old FH801 Kawasaki, this one seems to noticeably have more valve train clatter or ticking noises. So unit in total has 400 hours. So I figured, I'll give it a valve adjustment. So I did that last night. I did find 3 of 4 valves were slightly over tightened, but they are completely adjusted to 40 thousandths of an inch. Everything went well, everything's back together. Everything was done at top dead center for each cylinder, but I still have the valve train noise. So I just want to do a quick start up. I'm going to pull it off the trailer, let it run, and we'll do a bit of an audio on the noises I'm hearing. So bear with me in the bad angles. I'm going to jump on the mower, start it up, and back her out. Don't mind my messy setup. Okay, so I'll choke it. Starts right up. Okay, so that was a cold start. Now, I could be imagining things, but I'd like your guys' opinion on it. Now, to me, it just sounds like an awful lot of chatter. But let's give her a quick rev. So, to me, it almost sounds more noticeable at idle or low speed. So yeah, just that ticking noise. If you guys think it's normal, feel free to leave that comment below. And if you have any tips, suggestions, or advice, feel free to let me know too. Thanks guys, bye for now.